What's your name?
Lucy.
And where are you from?
I'm from Wigan.
Oh, yes! Wow, you sing like flawless.
I feel like crying right now. Thank you.
You did very well, Lucy. How's Wigan?
Oh, yeah, love it.
Yeah?
I'm a massive fan of Wigan Warriors.
Oh, come on! I used to have a season ticket for Wigan Warriors.
Me and my granddad go to, like, every single match.
I went with my granddad, too!
Really?
Lucy, I had to turn. I had to see where that voice was coming from, that beautiful, controlled awesomeness.
It was such a special moment. I love working with big voices. That's like my passion.
So safe, though. So safe. Take a risk. Come with Jonesy.
I want you to do songs that make people feel something, where they connect with you and your voice.
Uh-oh. It's going to the right side, bro.
What can I do to pull this back?
I've already made my decision.
Who is it going to be?
I'd like to go on team. Danny.
Let's meet the Northerners. Wigan. How are you? Nice to meet you.
I'm glad you
Did she do well?
Tremendous.
Hey? Team Danny, yo!
Yay.
Danny! I can't believe it!
Yeah. She got...
Well done, Danny.
I thought you had it all the way.
Remember, I was like, yo, it's moving to the right.
Hey.